on, guys? It's Essencexoxo back with another video. So today I'm just really going to give you a simple tutorial on a few different head wrap styles. Now it's super easy, super simple. You'll just need a few things such as your Eco Styler, bow, spray bottle of water, a brush, a comb, and your edge controller comb/brush. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and go ahead and turn on those notifications. All right, y'all, let's get right into it. So I know my voice is probably way louder than the introduction, but that's okay. It doesn't matter. Let's get into it. To start it off, I really like to spray water around the perimeter of my hair just to get it wet. That way it's easy to slick back when I go in with my Eco Styler. And then with my Eco Styler, I'm going to do the exact same thing as I did with the water. Just put it around my edges. That way I can slick that thing on back. And then I just take a headband and push it back. That way it can hold and stay together. Usually I would use a wig cap. That way my hair isn't poofy when I'm putting on the head wrap. But of course I don't have one right now. And the beauty supplies stores are closed. And to kick off the first hairstyle, I'm just gonna place the scarf on my head. The type of scarf this is literally a neck scarf. You can use any kind of scarf you would like. I even see some people use leggings. But what I'm gonna do first is tie that into a knot, pull it, and make sure that the top is flattened down. Now for my top knot bun, I usually like to tie it in the back. To me it's a little easier, makes it tighter, and I just twist the knot over to the front of my head. But if you like, you can always just tie it to the front. After getting those edges nice and laid down, this is our first head wrap style, and it is a top knot. So our second head wrap style, it is consisting of the same as the first, but legit it's just this time in the back. This one is really my go-to. when I don't feel like doing my hair. Even when I do feel like it, I would rather wear this. So again, this is the same process as the first. So you just want to place the head wrap on your head, tie it in a knot in the back. Now with this style, I like to double knot it because I always notice my hair starts to like gather in the back. So double knotting it just makes it a little bit tighter. And from there, I just go ahead and twist it around and wrap it around. So again, this is my go-to head wrap style. It's one of my favorites. I go to class in it, I go to work with it. It's very versatile. I love it. And for our third and final look, we are just going to take each end of the head wrap and twist it. After twisting it, you're going to cross over each end and tuck one side into the other and the other side into the other. And there you have it, 3 easy head wrap styles. You guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and comment below what you would like to see from me next. I love the support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these posts and turn on those notifications, and we'll see you next time. Peace.